Let's look at the top 6 millionaire habits that you wouldn't believe. Number 6, they don't live in expensive houses. Millionaires usually live in neighborhoods and homes that are well within their spending limit. There was a survey done on more than 600 millionaires in America. Researchers found that most of the millionaires had never bought a house that was more than 3 times their yearly income. Another study revealed that the median original purchase price of millionaires' homes was around $464,000. Number 5, they spend more time researching investments. The average millionaire spends about 10.5 hours a month planning for and studying investing. When you have done your investment research and planning, you become more tolerant of taking risks related to investing. The time millionaires spend planning their investments allows them to make better decisions and be more prosperous in the long run. Number 4, they have a side hustle. A lot of millionaires have side hustles. Side hustles are great for helping people experiment with other money-making options while at the same time getting a steady income with their current job. People who can create multiple streams of income have a better chance of generating massive wealth. If you can transform your hobby into a money-making machine, you're on the right path to becoming a millionaire in the future. Number 3, they spend more time on personal growth. Millionaires spend more time on self-improvement. They spend about 6 hours each week exercising and about 5.5 hours each week reading for enjoyment. Keep in mind that the average American spends only 2 hours a week on each of those activities. If you want to be rich and successful, you have to be mindful of how you use your time and energy. Another study of 177 self-made millionaires discovered that they spent 30 minutes every single day exercising and 30 minutes every day reading. Most millionaires read books on self-help and personal development, biographies of successful people, and history. Number 2, they're frugal. When you are frugal, you spend less, you commit to saving, and you stick to your budget. Being frugal helps millionaires grow and maintain their wealth. Many millionaires report that spending below their means is what helped them reach true financial freedom. When you spend more than you're earning, you are setting yourself up for a life where you live paycheck to paycheck, even if you have a high income. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, they don't budget. You may be thinking that with millionaires being so frugal and all, that they must be on a tight budget, right? Well, that's actually not the case. Millionaires save money and are frugal without having a budget. This might seem a little odd since millionaires seem to be so tight with their money, but when you think about it, it does kind of make sense. Millionaires are self-controlled and disciplined people, and on top of that, they make a lot of money. So when you make a lot of money and you know in the back of your mind that you're not spending near the amount you're making, a budget just isn't necessary for most of them. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.